Army, welcome back to Home Base. It's your girl Anya Army, and today we are getting into lashes. I did these gorgeous lash extensions at home for $6 hairs. Period. Because who is paying $150 to $200 for this? Not me. And not you. But before we get into it, if you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Join the army. What are you waiting for? Give this video a big thumbs up. Meet me in the comments to let me know how you are feeling about my new blinky babies. Oh, good morning, y'all. It is early morning and your girl is tired. But let's get into this. First, we're going to start off with cleaning. I'm going to clean my eyes. I'm just using micellar water and a cotton round. And then I'm going to go in with this clean eyelash spoolie. Is that right? Yeah, right? This clean eyelash spoolie, and just kind of comb through my lashes, separate them. I'm not going to put, you know, actual mascara on my lashes, but I do want them to be nice and combed, nice and evenly separated. Alright, and these are the main products that I'm using today. I have these Remy lashes. I got these from the beauty supply store. And then I am attaching them with this Eye Envy individual eyelash adhesive. Also got this from the beauty supply store, but I will have them linked in my Amazon storefront down below. I'm also just going in with these normal tweezers. I know people like to use the fancy tweezers. Well, I don't have a pair of those, so this is real out the mud, okay? This is real life. We just gonna thug it out. Period. I'm using this little cotton round to put the lash glue on, and then I'm going to just dip the individual lash. The smell is strong and kind of awful. It smells chemically. I gotta put this on my eye. These are the lashes that I'm going in with, and I'm just going to pick them up individually with a tweezer, dip them in, and then put them on my eye. Go under the eyelash. So I'm going to lift my natural lash up and then go under the lash line and place the lash. Okay, I'm about halfway through now. You can see it's starting to really take shape. I do wish they were a bit longer and thicker, but I am loving how this is coming along. I'm really making sure to focus the glue on the inside of the lash, because that is the part that's going up against, like, when you're dipping it. Don't focus so much on the back of the lash, but on the front of the lash. So really try to dip it face down. Still get the back, just because I think that helps with adhesion. And I'm just using the little eyelash card to blow, because you do want to try to get it dry pretty quickly, just so that it sticks, because the wetter it stays, the more it has time to kind of slip off. When you're dipping, instead of dipping it, okay, come on, focus. Instead of dipping it like this on the back side, dip it like this on the front side. Make sure you still get some on the back a bit, but focus mainly on the front side, because when you put it on your lash, you're putting the front side up against your lash, and that's the part that you're really needing to stick and stay. So I just usually do like a count to 10 and then let it go. It's not dry completely, obviously, but I do think that helps a lot. I really do like how it's coming together though. Cute. I'm doing them together as close as possible, just so that the lash is as full as possible. I like my lashes full, and I still think it's going to look a little more natural than I'm used to my lashes looking, in all honesty. But, I think it'll still be cute. I have cleared out one entire rack of lashes, and this is how much I've done so far. So a little more than half a lash on one rack, and I am putting them as closely together as humanly possible. Like you can see, yeah, they're pretty close together, you know, like I definitely want them close, but I'm trying to fit as many lashes as possible. It seems like 4 racks is the perfect amount. I'll probably use about half of this one, maybe add a few more to the back just to fill it out. We'll see what I end up doing, but this is the perfect amount of lashes. I was honestly for some reason worried this wouldn't be enough, but my mom, who does individual lashes for herself and other people, assured me that this would be, and baby girl knows what she's talking about, because yeah, you use about 1.5 racks per lash. I'm going to finish off this lash and then come back and show you guys the before and the after. Alright, I am done with this eye. I think it's really pretty. It got a bit harder as I got towards my inner corner. I will say my eye started tearing up a lot, and they weren't sticking initially, even though the glue does say waterproof. It took a little minute to really get the hang of it. But I think they are gorgeous. It's a yes for me. Alright, this is the final look. I somehow used more lashes on this side than I did on this side, and it does look more full to me. I don't know how I did that though. So these are all the lashes that I have left, which is good. I'm going to hang on to these and take these on my trip to use as kind of, you know, like backups, just in case some will inevitably fall out. I've got a good bit of lash glue left. I'm also going to take this with me on my trip. Overall, I really like how they came out. I really don't understand how I didn't do them as evenly, and I kind of want to add, I do see like a gap right here. I do kind of want to add a little bit more to this side to kind of give it the same fullness as this side. But overall, I love them. I think this will make my makeup go a lot faster. Just in general, I think it'll be more convenient. You're kind of always done. I'm filming a makeup video after this, so you guys will see me do my makeup. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Give this video a big thumbs up, and meet me in the comments to let me know how you are feeling about this look. Full face coming in the next video. I'm doing an Ulta haul, so I've got, you know, just a lot coming up. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out. Overall, definitely recommend that you try this out. I will link everything that I use down below. This is a quick, affordable way to get the look of lash extensions, and not just the look but the convenience. Like when I wake up, my lashes will be done for the next week to 2 weeks. So period, you really can't beat it. And make sure you follow me on social media like Instagram, period, because I be styling. So get into it at Anya Army. See you there.